Happy New Year, Happy New Year, everyone. It's great coming here today with you. Happy New Year, Happy New Year to everybody. It's been a difficult year with COVID and everything, but thank God. Yeah, and we pray for the next one to be really good and full of blessings, full of life and everything. It's a quick message today, and I just wanna quickly say that in the new year 2021, we ought to identify those who love us, and we ought to appreciate them. Do you have a friend? Do you have a distant relative? Do you have somebody who loves you? You know, most of the time we tend to ignore those people who genuinely love us and follow those who don't love us, you know, follow those who we have to beg to love us, or have to cling on to so hard. But it's a new year 2021, and we ought to identify those people who love us in order to bring happiness to our lives. We need to be happy. And how are we going to start it?